Welcome to today's Nickel Clip. Today's topic is in Canvas, how to make a quiz using Studio. As always, I am Wendy Vasquez with QUEZ Instruction. So here I am in my Canvas Studio library. You can see that I have lots of different videos and collections of videos. Some of them have a little rocket ship. That means I've already made a quiz for them. And some of them don't. So I'm going to go ahead and use this video to make a quiz and show you how I do that. First thing first, I'm going to click on the three blueberries and choose Create a Quiz. Now I can make multiple quizzes. So because this is going to be the first quiz, it's going to be a little easier. I'm going to say Quiz A. Remember, anything in the description is public. And then I can choose to either hide the question marks or not hide the question marks on the timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm just going to move the screen a little bit like this so you can see down here at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and usually I hit play and I like to sit and listen to the video. But for our purposes, this is a 3-minute video. I'm going to put a question at about the 1-minute mark, right about there. And I'm going to hit the plus button. This is going to give me my 3 choices: true, false, multiple choice, or multiple answer. And I'm going to go ahead and choose true, false. Mermaids are real. Is that true or false? I'm going to say false. And I have a chance to give correct feedback, or feedback if the answer was correct, feedback if the answer was incorrect, or just general feedback, like keep watching. And I'm going to hit save. Then at about the 2-minute mark, right about there, yep, I'm going to do another question. And this time I'm going to say multiple choice. What's another name for mermaid? And I'm going to add my questions here. So I'm going to write naiad and fairy. Okay, the correct answer is naiad. And I can vary the points by answers. I can give 10 points and 0 points or 5 points or whatever. I can also shuffle the choices. I can add another answer. Let's say octopus. I don't know. And as always, I have the chance to add feedback. Hit save. And then the third type of question type is a multiple answer. Actually, trying to think of one in my head. This type of question, I'm going to go for math because that's always easiest. How do you make 5? And my answer can be 1 plus 4 makes 5. 2 plus 3 makes 5. 5 plus 0 makes 5. And 3 plus 3 does not make 5. So I'm going to mark all of these correct because those are the 3 correct answers. I'm going to go ahead and say shuffle my answers. And I think I always want the 5 plus 0 to stay here. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it. And that means that that will always be answer C. And as always, I have my feedback available. So I hit save. And now I have my three question types. You can see this little question mark here. In the very beginning, I said if I toggle this switch, you will not see the question marks. That meant that the kids would not see this question mark and they would have to run through the whole thing before it would actually come up to the question. And I'm going to go ahead and click done up here in the corner. And now you'll see that I have a quiz for here. And I'm going to see that here's my quiz right there. I'd like to thank you for joining us for this Nickel Clip, our 5-minute teacher tutorial on how to make a quiz in Studio. Please look for other videos on this topic, including how to incorporate a quiz from Studio into an assignment, which is coming up next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been Wendy Vasquez with QUEZ Instruction.